Packing for our 2-week trip with our baby.
Not this baby, but our other baby. And is she a baby or is she a toddler? Because 15 months.
She's walking, talking, running. She's definitely a toddler.
No.
So tomorrow we have a 14-hour travel day flying out of Orlando, Florida to Denver, Colorado to Kalispell, Montana.
Going to the mountains, baby.
It's going to be great. We got family out in Montana. We'll spend a week with them, staying via a home exchange, and then we fly to Colorado for another week via another home exchange.
But the most important thing is making sure that we are prepared and packed for our flight and for our stay. The temperature's a little different, the atmosphere, the climate.
And look, we are seasoned travelers. We have been to over 40 countries. We lived in an RV, but we are rookies when it comes to traveling with a baby. We've done it a lot now, but there's still a lot to learn.
So we're going to show you everything we're bringing along the way, and hopefully this helps you for your next upcoming trip.
Let's talk international travel. If you're leaving the country, you and your baby, of course, need a passport, and that passport needs to be valid for at least 6 months beyond the exit date of that country or that trip. I won't go into too much detail about the passports, but we got her passport when she was only a few months old in preparation for our big Europe and England trip to meet the family in England and then for our European river cruise. It cost $135 and somehow took only 18 days to get, despite not paying for the expedited, but be prepared, it could take much longer. We'll drop a link to that website where you can fill out those details for the passport in the description down below. Let's talk international cell phone data. Have you ever lost service while you were traveling and you're desperately searching for Wi-Fi? And if you're watching this video, you also have a kid to think about, so a little preparation goes a long way. Never have I ever purchased a physical SIM card while traveling. Introducing Airalo, the world's first eSIM store. No more of those crazy high roaming bills. You have easy access by downloading the app and then can connect in over 200 countries. That's basically all of them. You can download the free Airalo app and see for yourself. We even have a personalized discount code QUENCH3 that you can use to save $3 USD and buy your plan in advance. Guys, while traveling with a family, safety is so important. Jenna and I track each other's location and we can call or text each other at any time. Staying connected is extremely helpful for things like navigating a city you've never been in, ordering food at restaurants, translating menus, buying tickets online, ordering ride shares. Guys, the list goes on. Get yourself a plan and be prepared. Scan our unique QR code and download the free Airalo app today. Use our personal discount code QUENCH3 for $3 off. And that's it for international travel. Back to the packing.
Let's talk baby stuff, specifically feeding. We always bring her little open cup, something for milk, and something for water. We have her bib and we have her little plate. We have her fork and spoon. She's a big girl now, she's trying. And high chair. We can bring a travel high chair. We can rent one. We would hope that the place you're staying at has one. You have many options. For this trip, since only one of the places we're staying at has a high chair, we're bringing our own travel high chair. Obviously, we can buy snacks when we get there, but on the travel day, in the car and on the airplane, having something with all the food in it could really help. She loves these rusks, she loves puffs, she loves her applesauce. If you need any of these items, we've linked it down below. This video is all about packing, but if you want to know about airport travel day, go watch this video here. While we're there, we're going to be in the water, some creek playing, so we have her long sleeve swimmer and her reusable swim diaper, but we also have a regular swim diaper. Some places require both. We have some little water shoes for her and a nice big sun hat with the drawstring and sunscreen. We try to cover her up as much as possible, but this is for face and the exposed areas.
Usually we'd be packing our small travel stroller, but for this trip, because we're going to be on a bunch of different terrain, we're actually bringing a jogging stroller that still folds up pretty compact. Plus, we've got a car seat. It's just a cheap, under $100 travel car seat in its bag here.
And somehow we fit all of baby's clothes in this packing cube: sweaters, onesies, shorts, t-shirts, and we'll have a washer and dryer along the way, so we'll use that. And don't forget toiletries for your baby, things like nail clippers, toothbrush, toothpaste, hairbrush, some diaper cream, Tylenol for any potential fever, and teething drops because those suckers hurt.
We try really hard to pack with carry-ons only. So we each have a personal item and a carry-on, and then of course she gets the diaper bag, and then we check the car seat and the stroller. We do this because it's usually cheaper to have carry-ons instead of paying for checked luggage, and we're going to be taking multiple flights, so there is no risk of them losing our luggage because we will have it always outside of the car seat. So I have to pack extremely light because more than half of my suitcase is her stuff. So everything we just showed you, the travel high chair, sleep sack, all that stuff is here. Her packing cube is here with all of her clothes and her hat. The only part of this suitcase that went to me is my one packing cube of clothing and my sandals. And my personal item, you ask? It is dedicated to just camera gear. Tripod camera, drone, selfie stick, Insta360, laptop, chargers, that's it. And I think it's worth mentioning, I always lay out my airport outfit separately, and that includes my flannel shirt that will be tied around me, which is kind of like my jacket, and I'm wearing my bigger shoes, and I packed my sandals like I showed you.
Stickers. She's obsessed with stickers. She loves reading. This is one of those stick-on swivel on the airline window. This thing is cool. We got it last time. It goes to the tray table and makes like a big tray. It connects on the bottom so they can play with all the things and stop dropping them down below. Just a little squishy. Always have food and snack for them. And then as a backup, we try not to do as much screen time with her. These are the coolest baby headphone headband. There's the hearing part right here where she can hear Miss Rachel go blah, blah, blah.
We're going to try really hard to keep her awake until the first flight, and hopefully she'll take that first nap on it and it'll be over an hour. Who knows? But this will come in handy. This is the TushBaby, and also inside of the pocket, it has the Snug carrier attachment. So if you've never seen this before, wear it around your waist. It has like a solid spot for them to sit there tush, take some of the weight off of you, and then the Snug carrier will actually come up around me to hold her in place so that it's less work for me when she is sleeping.
And this mama's kind of lucky because Jeremy lets me have my own carry-on because I can't fit everything into one little cube, but I do take all of the family's toiletries. Well, that's everything. Hopefully this helps you pack for your baby and your family's next trip. If you have any questions, let us know down below and we'll try to answer them. And if you would please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for all things baby travel and family.